Hi, it's your girl Amaka, and I just got evicted from the BBNaija season 7 house, and I'm here to take some comments. Ooh, hot stuff. Khalid once said, Amaka, you argue like an illiterate woman. It showed today. Wow, for be illiterate. All of us are illiterate for these streets. Anyways, that's that. Amaka. You have said a lot, sis. Your mouth is loose. You're a problematic person. Anyways, Abi una know wetin to face. Amaka no fit come straight. Amaka always get wahala. I guess you were expecting it. And that is that. Amaka, please go and shower and do your punishment. We will give you a strike if you are not careful, madam. Mind your business, sigh. My sis, be like say you be prophet too. As you just prophesy this thing, they can't give me strike. Amaka is very stupid for this reaction. How do you want to blame the other HMs? Are they your parents? Who is reminding them to wear their own? Oh, thank you very much. I never blamed anybody though. I was just like, they were not supposed to be shouting, supposed to tell me codedly now. But anyways, it is what it is. Should be a chop strike. Should be you're happy. Thank you. I just want Amaka to go home. She's too desperate to win with her boring, aggressive strategy. Boring, aggressive. Wow, boring, aggressive, and I was on your mouth all the time. Anyways, it's your opinion though. Thanks for the comment. Shebi una don't talk una be. Well, it's fine. I'm sure you guys knew that Amaka was a pure, real, sweet soul with a lot of problems. There is no one on this earth without their own problems, their own struggles. We all learn every day. Thank you. Keep watching this space. I'll talk to you some more time. Bye.